Hey, we're at 161 Geneva Highway. City Hall is about a block that way. Geneva is about 20 miles that way. And Main Street of Enterprise is just around the corner. Let's take a look at this house real quick. Shown one in the front room. You can have a like a home-based business where you can sort of live in it and work out of it at the same time. Because you've got the kitchen and the full bathroom here, so it'd be a great situation for that. People have been living in it for a while, even though it's one of the weird city things that's zoned commercially, but people can still live in it, and we spoke to the city and it's fine with them. But this would be a nice either or combination. You could do business or residential in it. Like I said, as far as the house itself, it's got the good bones, it's got the old hardwood floors, great. It's just got a lot of good stuff about it. So it's a great bargain at this price. Location. Well, I pointed out this is just a block from City Hall. You can almost see it through here. About a block and a half from Main Street, where they've Main Street USA is really upgraded. Main Street itself, about 2 blocks from here, the old mill is going to be a new shopping district. They haven't really told us a whole lot about it. There's going to be several types of businesses there. So basically I'm saying all of downtown. Yard goes from the street there all the way to the street behind it. So you've got a whole cross section of a block. Plenty of parking if you want to do something like a restaurant or a home-based office, and you need an extra parking space here on the side here. There's plenty of space, and then you could actually do a back entrance as well, so people didn't have to mess with coming in off of Geneva Highway, which does get a little busy at times.